welcome back to my channel.
Hi. Hello family members, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Agukat.
Today's one should be quick and easy because I don't even have strength. I'm tired. Anyways, today's hair is from Wiggins, and I think this is my first time working with Wiggins. I'm not sure, but I think Wiggins. I'm not sure if I should do a bald cap method, but I think I'm going to do a bald cap today because, I mean, on a normal day I shouldn't use glue. But I'm not going to lie, I already unboxed this hair before and I'm happy. I am happy about this hair. On a normal day, I should just use my melting spray and, you know, install this hair and move on. But I want this hair to stay on my head for a while because I love it. Anywho, let's get into the gifts as usual. We have lashes, edges brush, melting band. I have this melting band, so definitely this is not my first hair with Wiggins. Yeah, this is not my first hair. And then we have the HD wig cap. Perfecto, because I think I want to do a bald cap today. And of course, the Wiggins dust bag. I feel like I look really basic today, and to be honest, I really don't have strength. See me wearing my boyfriend's shirts. Oh God. So right into the hair. Okay. So this one, of course, is a HD lace, and when they say HD, they mean HD. And this is a medium cap size because, you know, my head is. I'm not gonna keep saying my head is big. My head is a medium size. Okay. And this is a 24-inch. You can see here. 24-inch wig. So this one is a straight wig. And from the looks of things, I'm not going to stress myself with this hair. I swear. But like, I'm not going to stress myself with this hair. Let me get up close and personal with you. Let me get up close and personal. I want you to look at this hairline. I want you to get into it. Guess whose LED light just broke? Mine. This is so painful that my light just stopped working. Like, so now I have to use just one source of light. Anyways, the only reason I'm not that angry is because of this hair. Are you seeing that part?
Rated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back.
Whenever a hair brand says they want to send me PR, this is exactly what I expect. Cause girl, the hairline is hairlining, the lace is lacing, the hair quality is hair qualitying. Like, this is... Nah, I honestly enjoy receiving this kind of wigs. Like, they give me joy and they make me want to create the content more. Do you get what I mean?
When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking, not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy?
This hair is so fine. I don't know if I want to layer this hair, but everyone that knows me knows I like to cut my hair, and I think I want to surprise you guys by not cutting my hair today. But I think I'm just going to give you a very sharp cut at the tip. This hair is so bougie, like, I'm not even kidding you. This hair is so bougie. The texture of this hair and the thickness, because this hair is 250% density, this hair is thick. Now this is the big girl's hair, like big girl.
Leap of faith, cause we so break and turn around. Give another go. Try me
As you all know, I'm not really a fan of baby hair, and well, I don't know if I should do baby hair, but of course I'm not going to do the big swoops and stuff. I just want to do something very natural. I don't know if I should touch this hairline. I don't want to touch this hairline, but I don't know. Alright, ladies and gents, this brings us to the end, and don't come for my baby hair because this is exactly how I want my baby hair. Okay? Good. Very simple, very cutesy, very mindful. I am so in love with this hair. Like, I cannot even explain how much I love this hair right now, I swear. This is hands down my favorite straight wig. I'm not even kidding. What this hair looks like in full. Let me show you the back. I hope you can see the back. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I recommend this wig like 1,000,000%. In fact, I recommend this wig from Wiggins. So make sure that you are clicking the link in my description box right now to order your own. Okay? Yeah. So that said, let me go and enjoy my new hair, okay? Bye!